Hello people and welcome to your Saturday morning Sesotho counting lesson / etymology of some numbers. So, being a Saturday morning and being that I live in this, house in the middle of nowhere, sometimes when I'm bored I like to flip through my handy Sesotho English dictionary. So, I'm looking in the R section and I find two handy phrases which I have discovered something very interesting about. So down here we have roba meno e medi, and then underneath we have roba mono e lemong, which mean respectively 8 and 9. So let me explain this a little bit. So in Lesotho, when you count, you start on one hand and you start with your pinky. So you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, you start with your thumb, 7, 8, 9, 10. So in Sesotho, that would be Ngwe, Peri, Taro, Ne, Flano, Zeletseng, Supileng, Robeli Robong, Leshome. Now in training, I learned all these theoretically, but in real life, they use Sesotho words for 1 through 5, and then 6 and up, they just use English words. But for 10, I learned the word for 10, which is Leshome, because of, money. This is a 10 Maludi bill, so it says Maludi a Leshome, which means 10 Maludi. So I learned 10 like that, but like 6, 7, 8, and 9 I never really knew. But I found these phrases in the dictionary, which I wrote out for you here. Kind of explain. 8. Roba meno e medi means literally to break 2 fingers. And remember, 8 when you're counting is like this. 6, 7, 8. So you're kind of breaking 2 fingers over here. And then 9 means roba mono lemong, which means to break 1 finger. So if you're counting, 9 is like this. And so you kind of break your pinky. But what's really cool about that is that this phrase, when you take the first part, robe, and the last part, edi, and you put them together, and you get roberi, which means 9. Which means 8, my brain. And then for 9, when you take the first part, robe, and the last part, ong, you get robong, which is the Sesotho word for 9. So I just thought that was super cool. And I hope you have enjoyed your Saturday morning Sesotho lesson. And maybe I don't know, I'm still bored. Maybe I'll go through and try to find some more cool phrases for y'all.